Get ready with me using new brushes from Hot and Flashy. Also, the Kylie Cosmetics Mauves palette. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. Thanks for tuning in today. On my channel, I cover everything from makeup to skincare to fashion to travel, anything that makes you more fabulous at any age. Well, I finally gave in and I bought these brushes from one of my favorite influencers, Angie of Hot and Flashy. She has great videos on makeup, especially aimed at mature women. And I loved this set. It came with 7 brushes, and you had a nice little card describing what the brushes were about. So I've had a lot of fun playing with them the past couple of days. I'm also today using a new palette from Kylie Cosmetics, the Mauves palette. I thought this was just really pretty. And today is kind of a two-step getting dressed. First thing this morning, I got dressed to go to brunch. Now I'm getting ready to leave to go to a wedding of a close friend. So I had sort of a two-step glam day today. So I'm going to just take you through my day getting ready. Now I didn't show every part of the makeup. I went ahead and did my foundation and my brows and my lips before, but I'm going to give you links below to everything that I used. So enjoy. Now I think the brush from Angie's Hot and Flashy set that I'm most excited to try is this A506. This is a special angled brush designed for concealer. So I'm going to use this Lancome concealer, the Tint Idole Ultra Wear, one of my favorites, and just put a little dot here and on this side. Don't put on too much. You don't want it caking. And then with this brush, just gently tap it in. This is the easiest way to easily spread this along your eye without pulling or tugging. Before getting this brush, I would either use my finger or a sponge. I really do think this brush is gentler and more evenly blends. I'm loving it. Okay, now the rest of the brushes, well, all but the last one, I'm going to use with this new palette. This is the Kylie Jenner, the Mauve palette. Now, I haven't used a lot of Kylie Cosmetics. I mean, the girl is not only is she younger than me, she's younger than my daughter. But this really intrigued me. I thought the colors were really beautiful. And I think I'm going to start with it now, and I'm going to enhance later today when I get ready to go to the wedding tonight. First brush I'm going to use with this is the A501. This is just the base eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to go in with this 90s vibe, which is sort of a slightly mauve nude shade. And just use that right on the base of my lid. I really like the shape of this brush as well. It's just very fluffy, very soft, just wide enough to exactly cover the eyelid. The next brush I'm going to use is this one called the A504, which is known as the Detailer. And you include this nice little card that describes what all the brushes are, and I keep it with my brush set. With the Detailer, I'm going in with this Mauve Me, and going along the outer corner, up and then down, just sort of in a nice little triangle with this deeper color. This nice slim detailer brush is perfect for doing just that. Now the next one I'm going to try is this brush, A502, which is the crease brush. And on my creases today, I'm using this light shimmer, this glowing through it. And just gives you a little bit of glow with the same mauve theme, but in a very light shade. And just slightly dusting along the crease line. Now, Angie designs this brush especially for shimmers. This is the A505, and it's a nice flat brush. And it really, the shimmers just adhere to this like a paintbrush. And take this shimmer, I'm going to use this You're Welcome, and go across my eyelid with this. Now, I really do like this bright pink shade, so I think I'm going to just get back the detailer brush and go right in the upper corner here and just get a tiny bit. Now, the final brush I'm going to use on my eyelids is this A503, the blender brush. And I'm not putting any new shadow on with this, although if you have like a light shimmer, you could use that. But I'm just tapping gently and blending it together. Now, Angie did not include a liner brush in her kit, so I'm going to use this one from Jeffree Star, and I'm going in with Chestnut on the lower lash line. And then I'm also going to take a little bit of this Burgundy Baby and go on the upper lash line. Okay, now I'm going off camera and do my mascara, and I'll come back and show you what the final brush is for. Okay, I've done my mascara. The final brush in this collection, the A507, is this angled brush that is perfect for blush and bronzer. So with that, I'm using my Jaclyn Cosmetics kit. This is the Warm Flush Golden Goddess Bronze and Blushing Duo. And we'll start with the blush and just start from the outside going in on the cheekbones. And just that right hint of color. And then I'm going with the more bronze shade and go a little bit under the cheekbones, a little on the forehead, tip of the nose, anywhere you want a nice little bronze glow. Now that's the first makeup look for today. I'm going out to brunch. When I get back, I'm going to retouch a little bit, curl my hair, and get ready to go to a wedding this evening. But I'm going to finish it off with this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back from my brunch, and I'm going to do a final touch-up to my eyes before getting ready for the wedding. I've already touched up my lips. Now I'm going back into this palette. I'm getting out the shimmer brush again, and I'm going to take Oh She Cute, this nice pink sparkle, and I'm going to start around the center of my eye and go outwards with this. And now I'm going to take this pencil. This is the one from Jaclyn Cosmetics. And I'm going to go a little bit along the waterline with this. I have to be really careful doing this because I'm going to be wearing contact lenses, and it can be pretty painful if it actually gets in the eye. Okay, that's about as much as I feel comfortable doing. Okay. I wound up deciding not to use the false lashes. Just decided to put on an extra coat of the Charlotte Tilbury mascara. Getting ready to leave for the wedding in a few minutes. This is the video for today. If you liked it, could you please give us a thumbs up? I'm loving both the products I demonstrated, the new brushes, the Kylie palette. So thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.